So, why is it that women feel the pressure to be perfect at home, perfect with their family, perfect at work? And what are we teaching our children if we're always acting this way? We know how important rest and renewal is. We get the concept of cooling down and the kitchen that I just talked about, yet it is still so hard for us to do. For me, it's the need to feel like everyone needs me. I want to be the one to help the kids, drive them to college, decorate apartments. Yes, we're doing that this week, but I simply can't do it all. And I have learned to set those all important boundaries that we talk about so much. For instance, think about the idea of the Sabbath, a day to step back from work, connect with God. Taking a breather shows trust and recognition that we don't have to handle everything by ourselves. It gives us a chance to recharge and come back to our duties with fresh purpose and thankfulness for the good stuff in our lives.